Differentiate function of x is equal to 3 minus 2x over x cubed. So, ganito lang yan. 3 over x cubed minus 2x over x cubed. Sunod. So, magiging 3x raised to negative 3. Kasi nandito yun kanina sa denominator. So, ilagay natin sa numerator. Magiging negative 3. And then, ito naman, magiging 2x raised to negative 2. Kasi nga, no, 1 minus 3, negative 2. So, dito tayo magsimula sa pag-minus. So, i-derive na natin gamit ang power rule. Negative 3 times 9 is negative 9. And negative 3 minus 1, negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. And negative 2 minus 1, negative 3. Gawin na natin positive ang mga exponents. So, para maging positive yan ay maging negative 9 over x raised to 4. And then 4 over x cubed. So, ang next, i-add na natin. So, ang common denominator natin dito ay x raised to 4. X raised to 4 divided by x raised to 4 is equals to 1 times negative 9 is negative 9. And x raised to 4 divided by x cubed, x na lang siya, times 4 equals positive 4x. And then, for the final answer, i-arrange lang natin 4x minus 9 over x raised to 4, and this is now our final answer.